Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here to tell you the whisper of the day. But before we get to today's whisper, you know what we got to talk about yesterday. So yesterday, Coors had earnings. Love watching that pre-market price action. And yeah, we spotted sellers, that upthrust at 35. I said, you know, another entry. If you didn't get in, Pinky got in pre-market. Watch that 34 level, bearish below. As soon as the market opened up, this thing came all the way down to 32, 38-ish. So my traders were rocking this one on the short side. Also yesterday, SWFT, we spotted that unusual 2 million print at 24.13. Bearish below 24. Fantastic trade on the short side all the way down to 23.70. Also watching FEZ bullish above 39.50 and managed to stay above that as well. You can see the bid right now, 39.50. Continue to watch that. If it does break below 39.20, would be a great short. So my traders were hot yesterday, but one in particular, her name is Lorraine, and we call her the Bird Lady, and we love Lorraine. Lorraine, you rocked it yesterday. PayPal was my biggest winner, one of my biggest winners in my trading room. If you recall, last week I brought it to your attention, all those late dark pool buy prints. If you follow my app, I also posted in there the dark pool app. We are doing beta testing. If anybody is interested in being a beta tester for the next couple of weeks, it's free. Would love to have you on board. Just send me an email, stephanie@thestockwhisperer.com, and just let me know if you are using an Android or an Apple, because we have to send you a specific link. But Lorraine rocked PayPal. She rocked Verizon. My traders, a lot of us got into these really cheap calls. Thank you, Ricky, for that fantastic meeting you did yesterday. We bought these calls for 4 cents. A lot of us sold them for 8. Nothing like doubling your money overnight. Really, really cheap. Also, she rocked MGM, GOLD. Wow, Lorraine, keep it up. So what are we watching today? Well, I got my eye on PanW. Yeah, that's had earnings as well. 135, really key level. They spiked this up to this resistance area. So this is really key. You know, obviously, if we close above 135, this can go much higher, but looks like resistance for now. I like to watch that 15 exponential moving average after the market is open on the 5-minute chart. If it breaks below the 15 EMA, that's usually a trend-changing moment. So keep your eye on that one as well. We had some pretty big prints recently on ING. Yeah, really big prints. It hasn't moved much. You see this these blue lines here that I've kind of crossed out all these candles. That's where the heavy prints have come in. Yesterday's prints were 1681. So watching this, watching 1675, if it closes below those levels, yeah, I would say smart money is selling at the top. It takes them quite a while to sell usually, but watch those levels. More of a swing trade. Now that we're, you know, almost out of earnings, I've been doing a lot more swing trading. SQ is another one I'm watching. We had a print this morning, 100,000 shares at $22.99. So this 23 level, this high volume doji, this is more of a swing trade, you guys. If we close above the high, 23.56, bullish. If we close below the low, 22.81, going to be bearish on that. Watch that for the next 2 days. And also, massive print yesterday on ABX, a 5 million print. You can see it's stuck in this wedge. Going to be bullish above 1675, bearish below 1637. This is something you may want to put a strangle on. Come watch me trade these stocks and so many more at the Java Pit Trading Room at www.javapit.com. www.thestockwhisperer.com. Happy trading, everybody. And don't forget, I'm doing a webinar tonight to swing or not to swing. It's free. Just go to my website, go under events, and register for to swing or not to swing. I'll be sharing all of my swing trading secrets, as well as how to spot a correction before it happens by following the dark pool. Happy trading, everybody, and see you tonight.
Turns around.